Hey guys, welcome back to the class. Now there is another error which is there on your screen, and error is control indicators for controlling area RCC1 do not exist. And if I'll go for the long text, then I can see the error code is KI102. It is absolutely clear from the error, the message itself, that there is something which is missing for the controlling area. Okay. To resolve this error, we need to go to the SAP Easy Access, and I can type OKKP transaction code. Okay. Once you type OKKP, then I need to find out my controlling area, which is going to be RCC1 for me. Then select that particular line, and let me expand. Now we can see the first option, activate components and control indicators. Okay, which is absolutely as per the error message. So what I'll do, I'll double click here and I'll create the new entry. I'll provide physical year as a 2022. Then I'll activate the components here. Okay, easy. So let me make the where is component active for parallel calculation. Okay, click, press enter button, then try to save the record. Perfect. Provide the CR number, critical transport control indicator in controlling area. Okay, no worries. So this has been saved now. So what I'll do, I'll go back one more, or maybe I can type /n. So I'm on SAP Easy Access. Now if I'll go back to the error screen, I'll close this log window and I'll try to click on check button once again. Now there is another error, warehouse movement type 501 not allowed for warehouse number RCC. So this error belongs to my warehouse tab, and we will resolve this error in our next video. Till the time, do the practice. In case if you have any kind of question, please feel free to use chat section, or you can also send your question over the email. If you like the video, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and share this content with your friends, with your colleagues. Okay, and do the practice. Thank you so much for your